Hello everyone, I'm BHAVIKA SRINIVAS from Class 8 studying in Sri KV English School CVV Campus Singapore, participating in the Covid-19 contest 2021 on the occasion of 25th Trust Day. So, the thing here which attracts you guys is a World War III. So, are you guys excited to know about this World War III? Without any delay, let's get started. As you guys know, the whole world is fighting against this COVID-19 and many innocent people have lost their lives. Now, before going to this World War III, let's know a bit about World War I and II. So, World War I and II was held between countries with explosives and ammunition. Reason for War I and II are mainly because of four aspects. They are militarism, alliance, imperialism, and nationalism. Finally, leads to loss of lives, economy with lot of pollution. World War III. So here we are from 2019 to till date is a fight between the world against the Wuhan virus. Coronavirus was originated from the Wuhan Institute of Virology. Global leaders like the ex-president of USA, Donald Trump, called this war against the China virus or Wuhan virus. The coronavirus bioweapon. Initiation of war, spreading through droplets. This virus spreads through droplets that come out of your nose or mouth. This happens when you cough, sneeze, talk, shout, or scream. More droplets, higher risk. The more droplets you inhale, higher the risk. Effect of this bioweapon. After exposure to this COVID-19, it takes 2 to 14 days to show the effect. Symptoms. There are two categories, they are mild and severe. So the mild symptoms are fever, dry cough, tiredness, sore throat, loss of taste and smell, rashes on skin. Severe are difficulty in breathing and chest pain. Severity of Wuhan virus. Mild diseases occur more than 80%. Severe diseases occur around 14%. Breathlessness and pneumonia. Pneumonia. Do you guys know what does it mean? Pneumonia is nothing but the phenomena by which the water is stored in the lungs, which makes difficulty in breathing. Critical diseases around 5%, like lung dysfunction and failure of organs. Dysfunction is nothing but organ not functioning, not only organ not functioning normally. Mortality occur around 2%, people with severe heart and lung diseases and diabetes. Soldiers. So the warriors of this World War III are doctors, nurse, pharmacists, municipal workers, ASHA workers, and other healthcare workers playing important role in this war. People and armed forces serving strongly to avoid spreading of coronavirus. Salute to all the warriors who are working day and night for just the welfare of our country. Weapons. Weapons used in World War I and II are guns, rifles, bombs, etc. Do you guys know what were used in World War III? So let's see. In World War III, we used masks, gloves, sanitizers, PPE, and vaccination. So I hope everyone are using this and everyone above 18 are vaccinated. Vaccines made in India. Covaxin developed by Bharat Biotech, Telangana. Covishield by Bharat Serums. Corbevax developed by Biological E. Made in USA by Pfizer, Moderna, Johnson & Johnson companies. Made in UK are Vaxzevria, developed by AstraZeneca and Oxford University. Made in China is Sinovac and Sinopharm. Actually, China exports like 790 million doses to 43 nations. 90% of Indonesian doctors are vaccinated, but also 30% healthcare workers have tested positive, and 20 doctors are dead because of COVID-19. This says that the Chinese vaccine is a fail. Made in Russia, Sputnik V. Precautions you have to take are do's are wash your hands for minimum 20 seconds, keep social distancing like 2 meters, wear mask, and don'ts are avoid crowd, avoid handshake, instead use namaste, avoid touching your eye, nose, and mouth. Impact of Wuhan virus on India, economy, education, and life and livelihood. Economy. Disruption in economic activities and caused millions of people lose their jobs. India's industrial production and business activities dropped sharply. Lockdown leads to increase in unemployment rate in both rural and urban areas. GDP growth. You can see that India had loss of minus 23.9%. The only country which gained is China with 3.2%. Education. Due to COVID, schools were closed. The government quickly recommended shifting to online teachings. Nearly 320 million students have been affected. Only 23.8% of Indian households had internet access. In rural households, only 14.9% had access. In urban households, only 42% had access. Only 12.5% of students had access to smartphones. And I guess all of them have smartphones from past 1.5 years due to online classes. Positive impact on education system. Develop the use of soft copy of learning material, enhance digital literacy, improve the use of electronic media for learning information, for sharing information through social medias and email. Education impact. Negative impact on education. Educational activities hampered. The schools were stopped, annual examinations were postponed, and some were cancelled. Unpreparedness of teachers and students. The teachers and students were not ready for the sudden transition from the face to face learning to online learning. Digital gadgets. Some people living in village couldn't be able to afford laptops, desktops, smartphones, and also wouldn't be having access to limited internet. The war was hit the poor students very hard in India, as most of them are unable to explore the online learning according to various reports. Life and livelihood. Wait. Let me know in the comments. Do you guys like the online teachings more or the offline? Now, life and livelihood. People felt difficult to purchase groceries, vegetables, etc. People's working in private firms are not received salaries. Poor cash flow in the markets, challenges in the diagnosis, quarantine and treatments, extreme increase in poverty, migrants affected more severely, high cost of healthcare, people without meals. World War III. This may not end sooner because the war element is human made. New variants, the Delta Plus, which is very dangerous. In India, decrease of war impact, but countries like Bangladesh is under lockdown, Israel, Australia, and UK, and also Russia, which reported like 1.5 lakh people were being hospitalized in Russia. Impact of nuclear bombing during World War II on Hiroshima and Nagasaki lost several decades to bombing, namely Little Boy and Fat Man. It took them decades to recover, and they're still recovering from this. Impact of War III on world due to the bioweapon. People are losing their loved ones and their lives, and I hope we fight this together and get rid of it by just washing our hands, wearing masks, and not stay home and stay safe. Thank you. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like and share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.